Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 8 by 10 inch canvas and some Meeden paint and a desire to play with my Toothy Tools. Not sure how this is going to go, but I never am. And it's gone pretty well so far, I have to admit. Looks like I'm going to cover most of this. And I could certainly cover all of it. So these are, I'm going to leave the link for making these tools right under the video. Here's my bigger one. The canvas was just basically, some color was thrown on there. In random ways, because I wanted color in the background. And I kind of want to use my spatula . Take off a little color right there, and a little right there, which I could probably clean up a little with a damp paper towel. And one last go. Or are there more? I kind of feel like taking my paint. Can't do that. Where's my spatula? And finishing up some of the marks, crossing over that center section without actually dragging a tool through it. But I think I'm going to want a little bit more black. And it seems to me that I should just squeeze it on there, but I think I might wind up with too much paint. And I like the difference between the lines that I made by scraping and the lines that I made with my spatula. There, I think. Maybe not. In any case, check under the video for my link tree. Know there are 2,300 videos. If you can't find what you're looking for by going to my channel and going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists, just ask me. I've got all my links saved. by the 100, by the topic and genre. I know where to find everything you might want. I want a little tiny tool with just one nubby on it so I can make single marks. And pardon my husband listening to the answering machine in the background. And I'm going to call it good. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying whatever I usually tell you, and I'm not telling you now. I'll tell you another time. That's pretty sweet. I love you. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I do sell my artwork, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. So my email address is below the link tree right under the video. If you have questions, please ask. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you're a big assistance. So just know I love you, and thank you very much for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you want to have a go at winning a painting, check out the monthly drawing. The prizes are included at the beginning of the exhibition video on the end screen in the last 20 seconds on this video. So I will say I love you again, and you inspire the heck out of me, and check out my community board for tomorrow's video. And know there's all kinds of cool stuff on the link tree, including Facebook groups. And my Amazon link has got 2 books, Volumes 1 and Volumes 2, because I can, and unlimited possibilities. If you shop there, you help me out. I say I love you again. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.